Hello friends, so if you're facing very hard time, I just want to say that you're not alone because this was me in 2023. As you can see here, I was so depressed. I was facing very hard time. I didn't have money to buy food. I didn't have money to pay for my rent and all that. So I was very depressed. But I decided to go ahead and ask for help to different people on the internet. I was on Instagram asking help from Mr. Beast and other people, as you can see here. These are the messages that I was sending to them, and it's very embarrassing, to see all these messages on how I was asking for help. And I was only asking for money to survive. I didn't ask for a lot of money. I was just asking for $200 or $300. Maybe I can just survive with that amount of money. But too bad, no one replied to me, and I was feeling like the world was not fair because I was praying to God like every single time, God, please help me. I need to get help and all that, but no one replied and no one seems to care. So I just came to realize that I was using the wrong way to approach these people to ask for help. And now, with the help of ChatGPT, I'm going to show you how you can get financial help from different people on the internet, on Instagram, on Facebook, without using hard work. This is the best way that you can do using ChatGPT, and you can really get this financial help from different people around the world. And I'm not encouraging people to beg for money, but I know you're going to be in a situation that you are working really hard, but you don't get that money that can be enough for you to pay for your rent, food, and all that. This video is for anyone who cannot work, and the only option that he or she has is to get help from different people online. So that's the reason I decided to make this video, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. So we're going to use ChatGPT to help us, to get financial help from different people online. So this is our first method, just by using ChatGPT. All right, so in today's world, it's really not easy, to get money from people without letting them hear your story first. So it's very good for you to have a good story that can motivate people to donate money for you. So right now we are going to use ChatGPT to write a very engaging story that can motivate different people to go ahead and donate money for you. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use ChatGPT. I'm gonna write here and I'm gonna pretend like I'm the one who needs help. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write for me emotional story, and the story is about me not having enough money to pay for school fees. And you can see here ChatGPT has generated for me this story, or this caption says that I need your help to stay in school. So this is a very good thing about ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT has to help you to come up with this emotion with this story that you're just creating. So you just have to write here, I need your help to stay in school. As you can see here, if anyone sees this caption, is going to feel the need to listen to your story and to donate money for you. And if you're sick, you can just ask ChatGPT, how are you going to convince people to donate money for you if you're sick? So this ChatGPT is going to write for you good caption, and also it's going to write for you good story that can motivate people to go ahead and donate money for you. So this was our first step. Use ChatGPT to write very engaging story. This is our second one. You need to choose between video and images rights. Right after you asking ChatGPT to generate good story for you, as you can see, this is your story right now. You already have this story. So the next step with that, you need to decide if you are going to record your video explaining your situation, or you can just take different pictures of you if you're sick, or if you really need to go to school. You can just you just have to put different pictures of you, and you have to put them in slide. So it really has to be in slide motion, so people can start watching your pictures explaining your currently situation. You just have to choose between video or pictures that are in slide mode. So if it's video, you just have to explain in a video like what's really going on, and you can use that story that you generated from ChatGPT. So you have to option. This was our second step. Our step number 3 you need to ask ChatGPT to come up with this good caption. The good thing about captions, they take people's attention in a very fast way. So you need to come up with these captions that are very emotional. You need to ask ChatGPT to come up with these very catchy captions so that people can go ahead and click your video right after seeing this caption. So this is very important. It's going to help your video to be spread like all over the places. Before go ahead and share this video that you just created using the help of ChatGPT, it's very important for you to go ahead and ask ChatGPT what are the best platforms for you to go ahead and ask for donations. There are a lot of platforms right now that they can guarantee you that you're going to receive free money and all that. But if you go to these platforms, it's really not easy for you to get this financial help. So all you want to do right now, you need to ask ChatGPT like what are the best platforms you can get help. The very good thing about ChatGPT is gonna always come up with these good platforms that are really gonna help you. And for me, I think the most trusted platform is that GoFundMe. This one is very trusted platform. But also the other platform that I really trust is Facebook. But also there are other websites which is called Just Giving. These are the platforms that are really going to help you if you are facing very hard time. But also if you go to this website which is called Kiva, you can also get help. So it's very important for you to ask ChatGPT on which donation platforms is good for you. And you have to explain like where are you coming from, because there are other platforms are not available in any country. So you can just ask ChatGPT like you are coming from this country, so which platforms can be good for you depending on your location. This is our next method that ChatGPT can help us while we need free money. So you need to ask ChatGPT to suggest campaign ideas. So let's say that you have this project that you want to start right now. It's going to be that you want to open an orphanage center, but you don't have money for now. So you can just go ahead on ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT, I want to open an orphanage center, but I don't have any idea like how to do this and all the challenges and all that. It always gonna come up with good answers. Getting financial help is really not easy because there are a lot of people out there with a lot of problems, and they asking for rich people and kind of people to donate money for them like every single day. So you just have to ask ChatGPT like the best options. It always gonna give you the best options. So you need to come with different versions of a story that can make sure that can convince these people to donate money for you. And I'm pretty sure that you understand everything that I say in this video. You don't have to create a story that is not real. Do not make up stories just to get financial help. I just want to say that you can use ChatGPT only if your story is real, but ChatGPT can help you to come up with these good ideas and to make sure that your story is very emotional and on a way how to tell your story to make sure that people are really going to donate money for you. But do not make up stories that are not real. This is really not legal way for you to receive money, and it's not good. Even God, it doesn't like people who lies and all that. So I really appreciate if you're watching this video up to now. You can always ask ChatGPT like what is the best options to make sure that your videos or your ideas is going viral and a lot of people can hear your story and all that. To share your stories online is very embarrassing. Sometimes can feel very embarrassing because you're really afraid that people who know you, they are going to find out about you needing help and all that, and it can feel very embarrassing and very awkward at the moment. But I just want to say that if you are really in need, you don't have to afraid of anyone, because no one is going to pay your rent, no one is going to pay your medical bills. The only thing is that you need to come up with this story, you need to share your story, and people can hear your story and start donating money for you. Do not hesitate. You just have to go ahead and you just have to ask ChatGPT on everything that you do about this this way of you needing money from different people around the world. You just have to ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is really going to help you. So thanks so much for watching this video. I did hope that this video is really going to help you and you're going to use ChatGPT in a way that is very legal and you're really not going to make up stories that are not real. And I just want to wish you all the best, and I really hope that you're gonna get this help that you want, and you're gonna get this help that you need. Thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David, and I'll see you next time.